In southern Ontario, it's another warm start to the week, while in Thunder Bay, it's still
Breaking news from the campus of Lakehead University, where a wolf was spotted, prompting hundreds of students to take to social media. I don't even know why we bother broadcasting this anymore. Everybody knows because of Facebook. And now we'll go to the scene with Alan. No, I'm being told it's Steve. No, Alan. No, Steve!
What are you doing today?
I think I'm gonna take a nap. Had a late night chasing a moose. Might have been a deer though. Could have been a caribou. What about you?
I think I'm gonna head to Lakehead. Go to the Agora Bistro.
Okay.
Shit, the Agora Bistro's closed again?
That's it for our live wolf coverage. You may see some more wolves in Thunder Bay, but unfortunately, you won't see any more of our weather anchor. That's it for T-Bay News Nighttime! We'll see you again in the daytime!